Okay, friends, just open your menu, then go to settings, then open touch and display and touch. You can see here. Then you can see option of adaptive brightness. It is actually it is automatic brightness, but it's called adaptive brightness. So just tap on that button and you are successfully turned off adaptive brightness. Actually, it is very useful whenever you go different kinds of light scenario. It will be adapt with your environment light. Like if you are in a room, your light will be low, and you go to sunlight places or directly sunlight place, so the brightness will be increased. So that's guys, and very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or of iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.